Hello students, welcome back, and in today's video we will do revision of lesson 3. It We will not go very deeply. It is just a quick revision to revise the whole things, what all the uh, things in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Our chapter is lesson 3, fiber to fabric. Okay, and the first topic in this chapter is variety in fabrics. So we know that there are different varieties are found in fabrics. Okay, like fabrics as cotton, silk, wool and synthetic. After okay, synthetic. Okay, कॉटन, जूट, वुल, सिल्क. सिंथेटिक में भी कई तरह के होते हैं, नायलॉन, रेयॉन, जॉर्जेट. There are so many in synthetic also. Okay, and these things are used to make clothes, bed sheet, curtains, bags, so many things. Okay, and how does the fabrics made? First, fabric is made up of yarn and yarn is made up of fiber. Okay, so it is basically a chain, means कि first आपका होता है जैसे इट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल. जैसे पहले आपका होता है फाइबर, देन yarn and then fabric. Okay, it's like its chain. First fiber, then its fiber changed into yarn by spinning, then yarn changed into fabric, and this fabric is used in many making clothes. Okay, so let's move to fiber. There are two types of fiber, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay, there are two types of fiber. There is a natural fiber and synthetic fiber. And natural fiber there are okay, the thin strand of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands are called fiber. Okay, fibers made up of yarns are further made up of fibers. Where do these fibers come? Okay, the fibers of some fabrics such as cotton, jute, silk and wool are obtained from plants and animals. These are called natural fibers. Cotton and jute are example of fiber. Okay, they are natural fiber. Cotton, jute are plant fiber. Silk and wool are animals fiber. This is very easy. Okay, now let's move to next topic, which is and some plants fiber. Okay, we know that the cotton is a plant fiber and we get cotton from the cotton plant, the fruit of the cotton plant, and we get jute from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, so it is very easy. नेक्स्ट, स्पिनिंग ऑफ कॉटन यार्न मीन्स कि जब हमें फाइबर मिल गया, लाइक जूट और कॉटन हमें मिल गया जो फाइबर है. ओके, तो हमें मिल गया, तो अब हम उसको यार्न में कैसे चेंज करते हैं? तो वी यूज़ अ प्रोसेस लाइक स्पिनिंग. ओके, स्पिनिंग इज़ अ प्रोसेस टू मेकिंग यार्न फ्रॉम fibers, and in the ancient time the takli and charkha were used to make a yarn from fiber. In present day there are a spinning machine. The spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machine. Okay, after spinning yarn used to making fabric, yarn to fabric. Next, so yarn to fabric there are two process, weaving and knitting. Okay, in weaving there are two sets of yarn to arrange in a pattern like this. इसमें क्या है, आपका ये पेपर शीट पे जो हमने एक एक्टिविटी की थी कि 2 डिफरेंट सेट्स हमने लिए थे और उसको हमने वीव किया था, वैसे ही यान में भी होता है कि 2 सेट्स ऑफ यान होते हैं और उसको वीव किया जाता है। एंड नेक्स्ट, नीटिंग। इन नीटिंग देयर आर 1 single yarn is used to make piece of fabric. Okay, so all these things. And next, last topic in this chapter is history of clothing material. We know that in the ancient time, in early age, mm, people didn't have knowledge about the clothes, so they used to uh, use the bark and big leaves of trees or animal skins and fur to cover themselves, and they use these things according to the season. Okay, and after that people began to settle agriculture communities, and they get to know about cotton, jute, flax. Okay, so they used to wrap these things around them, and after that there was a needle डिस्कवर्ड। ओके, उसके बाद नीडल की खोज होती है, तो नीडल से फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, कपड़ों को स्टिच करना शुरू कर दिया और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कपड़ों को स्टिच करके, और आज हमारे पास बहुत ही ढेर सारे ऑप्शंस होते हैं क्लोथिंग के। ओके, so these are the keywords. Let's move on the exercise. These are the keywords, all the keywords. I hope you have understand all the keywords. Okay, cotton, wool, fabric, fiber, knitting, spinning, weaving and yarn, ये सारे अभी मैंने सारी चीज़ें आपको एक्सप्लेन की हैं फिर से। Let's see, classify the fiber, classify the fibers as natural or synthetic. Nylon is synthetic, wool is a natural, cotton is natural, silk is natural, polyester is synthetic and jute is natural. State whether the following statements are true or false. Yarn is made up of fibers. True. Spinning is a process of making fibers. False, because spinning is a process of making yarn. Okay. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. False. The process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning. Okay, that is the process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning. It is true. Weaving of yarn makes the piece of fabric. True. Silk fiber is obtained from stem of the plant. False, because we get silk from the silkworm. Polyester is a natural fiber. False, and it is also false. Okay, plant and fiber, fill in the blanks. Plants and fibers are obtained from cotton and jute. Animal fibers are silk and wool. Question number 4. From which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Cotton and jute are obtained. First, cotton is obtained from flower of the cotton plant and jute is obtained from stem of the जूट प्लांट। मुझे आई थिंक आपको ये क्वेश्चन तो लर्न हो ही गया होगा क्योंकि इतनी बार रिवाइज हो चुका है। नेम 2 आइटम्स दैट आर मेड फ्रॉम कोकोनट फाइबर। सो देयर आर 2 आइटम्स लाइक डोरमेट एंड rope are 2 items. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. It is done. Okay, so I hope you have revised all those things. After that, if there is any confusion, there is any problem in any question or any topic, you can ask me. Okay, till then, thank you.